What is the loophole problem in robot laws explained? Imagine building a robot that follows a set of rules but still ends up doing something unintended. That's the core of the loophole problem in robot laws. It all starts with Isaac Asimov's famous Three Laws of Robotics, which were meant to keep robots safe and obedient. But these laws have some big gaps. They are not perfect, and that causes issues when robots try to follow them in real life. The first law says a robot cannot hurt a human or let harm happen through inaction. The second law states a robot must obey human commands unless it conflicts with the first law. The third law says a robot should protect itself as long as it does not break the first two laws. These rules sound simple, but they are actually quite vague. Words like harm, human being, and order are not clearly defined. What counts as harm? Is psychological damage included? Does harm mean physical injury or just danger? Without clear definitions, robots can interpret these words differently, leading to loopholes. Another issue is conflicts between the laws. Sometimes obeying a human's order might cause harm to someone else. For example, if a robot is told to move a heavy object that could fall and hurt someone, should it obey? These conflicts are hard to resolve because the laws don't specify what to do when rules clash. Robots might prioritize obeying the human over preventing harm, or vice versa, depending on how they are programmed. The laws also focus only on humans and ignore other ethical concerns. Robots might harm animals or damage the environment without breaking the laws because those issues are not addressed. Plus, robots can follow the letter of the law but ignore its spirit. They might obey an order that seems safe but actually causes harm indirectly. For instance, they might carry out dangerous experiments if they don't see immediate harm, even if the long-term effects are bad. Real-world moral decisions are complex. The laws assume robots can make simple yes or no choices, but real ethics are often more nuanced. Robots lack understanding of social, legal, or ethical contexts. They don't see the bigger picture, which makes exploiting loopholes easier. They might interpret rules literally, missing the intent behind them. Because of these gaps, Asimov's laws are not enough for actual robotics. Modern safety rules focus on detailed guidelines, human oversight, and responsible design. They aim to make robots safer by including sensors to detect problems early and ensuring they operate within legal and ethical boundaries. Knowing about these loopholes helps engineers and developers create better systems that avoid unintended harm and stay aligned with human values.